today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, it happened. Actually, what I was talking about earlier, when I was at the petrol station making the video from my phone, I was talking about this specific dump here from the symmetrical triangle. Actually, let me turn this around and actually tell you what I'm talking about. This hourly candle symmetrical triangle as continuation pattern broke down. I was telling you that the higher likelihood here actually is for a breakdown to the downside, and that this is my price target. And actually, just in case you didn't watch this video, before I'm going to my next price prediction, what I think where the Bitcoin price is going to go to right now in the immediate short term, I want to show you this little clip here from earlier where I was talking about that. Let me quickly go over here. Over onto my channel here. It was this video here 7 hours ago. Bitcoin will break today. This is what I was talking about, and let me play you this little clip here from earlier. Here, this symmetrical triangle is actually a continuation pattern, and as we are bearishly going into it, higher likelihood for us actually to break down and also break down here and find lower price targets. That's at least from a probability standpoint the higher likelihood. And if I am pulling out right now the measured move price target, then you can see, let me show you this, the price target is 56,500. And well, what you can see, if I am going over back here into it, this is exactly what happened. Actually, we broke down the higher likelihood, came into place, and we exactly hit the price target. What you can see here, actually up to the exact dollar. And if you think, Chris, this is crazy, please like this video. Of course, it's always nice if you can benefit from these price predictions, but it's always, you are always being a force for good if you are liking the video, sharing it, and making the MMCrypto family bigger so other people can see it as well. Thank you so much for that. And now let's talk about the next price prediction, the next target. If you watched the earlier video, please smash up the like button. Let's get it here again. 10,000 likes. The last one got 10,000 likes in 7 hours. It's absolutely crazy. Now let's talk about that. And of course, I want to talk about my trades as well. My Bitcoin trade is still open, as you can see here, a $7.4 million trade, and it is right now $680,000 in a profit only. I have to say it was much more before. And full transparency, my chaining trade is gone. Chaining went too low, and I was here stopped out, of course, in a slight loss on this chaining trade. It's completely fine, as we know how it is with altcoin trading. Every now and then we are getting a loss there. On Bitcoin, it really doesn't happen a lot, but on altcoins, it happens every now and then. As the upside is much higher, the downside is higher as well, of course. So here, full transparency, I wanted to show you that. What you can see here, Bitcoin actually reversed exactly after hitting my price target and is right now going higher. The question is, are we going to break the bottom and actually go lower? Or is this already the end? Once again, higher time frames will tell us. First of all, let's go over to the 4 hourly. What you can see on the 4 hourly, after we broke my support area, we did not come back. Very important support now turning into very important resistance. So now, if Bitcoin reverses higher, we can expect significant resistance to come in. At $60,000, guys, it's not going to be an easy ride from here. However, going over to the daily candles on the bottom left-hand side on my famous charts here, well, we got support, and I didn't redraw the lines. Look at this. We got support exactly in my support box, which I mentioned earlier to have been the most important resistance and is now turning into the most important support. We have to keep in mind, though, that this is basically an M pattern breaking, and I want to see Bitcoin closing this daily candle actually above 58,500 US dollars. If we are not closing it above, we can expect furthermore retests here of the horizontal resistance and potentially a breakdown to 52,000. I do not expect this to happen, I have to say, because it was extremely strong resistance earlier, so it might as well just turn into very, very strong support. This is what we are used to from Bitcoin. If we are going higher on the time frame, you can see this here. Let me pull this a little bit higher, is the monthly candles for Bitcoin. What you can see, we are in a long uptrend here. This was March 2020. So now we are talking about like 1.5 years of higher highs for Bitcoin on the monthly. We are right now being squeezed, and there's not much more time left. In fact, 40 to 45 days until we have to break resistance or support. Once Bitcoin breaks resistance or support, and I am heavily banking on the resistance, I am actually thinking, not only thinking, predicting based upon previous behavior for Bitcoin, based upon macroeconomic factors, that Once we break here, the 70,000 to 72,000 US dollar levels and closing at least a weekly candle above, I am expecting and predicting at least 10,000 US dollar candles for Bitcoin to come. Daily candles, not weekly candles, $10,000 daily candles, because what we can see also on the monthly, actually, we are having a new all-time high and the RSI is far from being overbought, whereas we are usually used to a very overbought level whenever we are hitting an all-time high. Right now we hit it and we are, for the first time ever for Bitcoin, far from being overbought. So yes, I am still expecting higher price targets for Bitcoin. I am not expecting the bull market to be over. And I wanted to know now from you, do you want more of the videos in addition to these videos where I am covering altcoins as well? Let me know, not only like the video, but leave your favorite altcoins right now in the comment section. I want to go down here also with my team actually and check the comments and see what altcoins are popular, what altcoins you want to have covered. And by the way, guys, in case you missed it, we are launching our own project. VLaunch is the name. This will grant you the chance to get a stake in the next potential engine coin, the next potential Decentraland, whatever you call it. We have very famous investors actually already in. And as you know, you as community member, you do not have to be an investor at all. Just join the groups down below in the pinned comment. If you join the Telegram groups, which are in the pinned comment and the video description, you can get your own stake, your own part in this free IDO allocation for the community. Team tokens locked for 12 months, community tokens unlocked. Join the community right now, be part of it. It is something big. And obviously, if you want to be trading as well as I'm having here the 7.4 million US dollar trade open on Phemex, well, you might as well also go down below, because in the pinned comment down below, I don't only have provided here the Telegram links, no. You can get a free bonus, less than 10,000 US dollars in free bonuses, Bybit $4,100. And you know what? Phemex just bumped it up also to 4,100. So I would change it. You can get with these links. And by the way, if you have a Bybit account already, you might as well also open a Phemex account. Click the links down below and get yourself here this free bonus in the pinned comment. Click the links, make an account. Takes a few seconds, but please only do it if you're an experienced trader. Otherwise, buying and holding is the key. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.